Hello, everybody. My name is Tian, and today we are going to be going over the Week 12 quiz access for Chapter 8, and we're looking at question 7. So, yeah, I already did it, and then I submitted the assignment, so it's not letting me back into looking at it the way that you look at it when you're doing it, but we'll go through it anyways. So we're looking at a machine that costs $126,300 and has accumulated depreciation of $92,900. We're making a entry to record the disposal of the machine on January 1st in each separate situation. So we're going to be doing it for, I guess this is if we are selling it for certain different amounts. So for our first one on what we're looking at is the we were looking for our accumulated depreciation, which is going to be 92,900, and then what we're going to do from there is we want to find out what the difference is essentially on the value of the machine as opposed to what we paid for it. So like assuming that like our cost is 126,300 and right now we have accumulated 92,900, then the difference there would be the 33,400, and that is going to be the loss on our disposal for the machine. Anyway, so then going down, we're now looking at the the loss on the sale of the machine instead of the loss on the disposal of the machine. So in this instance, we sold this is number 2 on our little thing. The machine this time sells for 16,600. Our depreciation stays exactly the same. It's going to be the same 92,900, and the machine itself, the cost is still the same, so it's 126,300. To find the loss of the sale on the machine, very similar to how we did it just a minute ago. Like we're going to take our cash and add our accumulated depreciation, and whatever that number is, we're going to subtract that out of our 126,300, and that's what our 16,800 is the loss on the sale of the machine. And then down in January, oh, sorry, this is all happening on January 1st. I keep saying that. I keep saying next in January 1st. Yeah, so our cash this time, this is where we do number 3. And so we sold it for 33,400. Our depreciation stays the same. Our machine always was the same. So this is actually the same as the loss on the disposal of the machine, but it's kind of like flipped backwards because this is the depreciation. And then for the last one, we're doing this is basically just like the same thing but more complicated as the last one that we just did. So you have your cash, you have your accumulated depreciation, you have the cost of the machine, and then this is the gain on the machine sale. So it's actually very similar to number 2 up here. But this time, instead of finding the loss of a sale, we're finding the gain of a sale, and that ended up being $8,200. So yeah, it's not too hard. This is basically just like a complex way of looking at the same scenario multiple times so that you can get all the little bits out of it. The machine price never changed, just the amounts that we lost on the sale, the depreciation, or gained on the sale is what we were looking for, I guess. Yeah. Anyways, I hope that was helpful, and yeah, good luck on that one, guys. Good luck with the rest of your work this week and the following weeks that remain. Yeah. All right. Well, now I'm going to stop sharing my screen once I figure that out. Okay, there we go. See you guys.